We need to spend 5 to 6 years on an internal study and spend $22 million to see if it's possible to clone wolves. And I took some data with me, and I said, hey, we really want to help this Red Wolf program. We don't need any money. We open source all of our technologies, and we've used a technology that's non-invasive for cloning, where we actually take a vial of blood, we isolate what's called endothelial progenitor cells, basically the inner lining of your blood vessel, right? Because there's no nucleus in blood cells. So we catch those, and when we catch those, we then isolate them, we grow them, and we clone from them, right? And so we found a way, which we're open sourcing on Tuesday, is open sourcing this model of how you go clone from blood, which is a game changer for biobanking, because now you don't have to go hurt an animal, take pieces of the animal, anesthetize the animal. We can just take bloods and put them in freezers and be able to bring them back or clone them if there's a lack of genetic diversity using this thing. We need to spend 5 to 6 years on an internal study and spend $22 million to see if it's possible to clone wolves. And I was blown away. This is a cloned wolf. And if you tell me you want 100 wolves, I'll just make you 100 wolves. And we'll even engineer in more genetic diversity for you. And the response was, we'll get back to you. I just got back from a meeting with the Department of Interior, which Fish and Wildlife rolls up to, and they're very, very focused on innovation, not regulation, which has been pretty amazing. Immediately, they said, we celebrate, and Doug Burgum, the Secretary of Interior there, who we met with, said, we celebrate. He's a huge conservationist, huge Teddy Roosevelt guy, member of the Explorers Club, and he's like, that we do not have a celebration when animals come off the endangered species list. Only about 3% ever come off, and we're really good at putting them on, and we celebrate putting them on. So we have to do something about this. And if you're saying that we could productionize species, and as long as we have the right support to rewild them, people can use your technologies for free to make more of these different species that are critically endangered while also biobanking the samples along the way. He's like, why wouldn't we do this? And he's like, we will completely support the initiative, and we're going to help get you plugged in so you can help biobank our species and also help us support, red wolf conservation.